Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Start by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Time and Language. Now select Language from the left sidebar. This will show you the currently installed languages. To download more, click on the button that says Add a Windows Display Language in the Microsoft Store. Select the desired language from the store and then click on Get. Select the checkbox called Set as my display language. The new language will now start installing. Now the language has been installed, you will need to restart the computer for changes to take effect. The Preferred Languages section is for adjusting what languages, apps and websites will be displayed in. You can reorder the languages here by order of most importance. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.